Hi everyone, I'm Lea from OLea Braids. Today I will show you 5 quick and easy hairstyles. For these hairstyles you will need a comb, a brush, a bigger hair tie and a smaller hair tie. The first hairstyle will be an elegant bun. Brush or comb out your hair. Then start to twist it around. Try to make the outside part a little bit looser than the inside. That way, when you undo your hair, you'll have nice beach waves. Finally, secure it with an elastic. You can tame your flyaways with a comb. There you go, your elegant bun is ready. The second hairstyle will be an English braid. To start, separate your hair into 3 sections. Try to make them as equal as you can. Now, place the left section over the middle. Then the right section over the middle. Repeat this to the end. Lastly, tie it with a smaller elastic. Done! Your English braid is ready. The third one will be a half up, half down hairstyle. Pick a section of hair at the top of your head. It should be a little bit less than half of the amount of your hair. Or, if you have thick hair, then even more less. Tie it with a smaller elastic. Voila! Your half up, half down is all set. The next one will be a flip low ponytail. First, tie your hair with an elastic. Now make a hole close to the hair tie. Try to do it big enough but invisible at the same time. Then flip your ponytail through the hole. Adjust to your taste. Yay! Your flip low ponytail is done. The last hairstyle will be a high ponytail. To begin with, brush your hair upside down. Then gather all your hair at the top of your head. Try to make it really high. Finally, tie it with an elastic. Hooray! Your high ponytail is ready. You look so bomb. Try these hairstyles and comment down below if you did. Please share, subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. Bye for now.